Well, good morning, everybody. I'm on my way home from work, but I haven't been up here yet. So, this is Moss Glen Falls. I haven't even gone into there yet, but look at this beautiful little brook. Well, it's not a brook, it's whatever you call it. A stream. Really, really pretty. And it's Labor Day weekend, so there's lots of people here. We are like in the woods here. It's so beautiful. So I'm going to walk up and see what I can find. It's so pretty. I parked pretty far down, but that's okay. My feet are a little sore, but not as much as they usually are, like they were at McDonald's. I guess it's because I'm not really running around like I was at McDonald's. I'm just standing. Oh my gosh, just look how beautiful. So beautiful. Look how pretty that is down there. I am in so much more better shape than I was this time last year, that's for sure. Okay, I'm going to shut it off for now until I get into the falls, and then I'll come back